Hello everyone, welcome to day 359 of a Stitch a Day 365 Days Crochet Challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this embossed tree stitch. So this stitch is crocheted on a stitch multiple of 6 plus how many ever stitches you want in between. So for example, I'm going to leave 6 stitches over here. So I'm going to take a multiple of 12 plus 1 to crochet this particular stitch. It's crocheted on a few rows of single crochet stitches. You have to make 4 rows of single crochet. So I'll make 4 rows of single crochet and I'll meet you back once I'm done with that. Okay, so I have 4 rows of single crochet stitches. Now I'm going to start with the row where I'll be making this very first stitch of the tree. Okay, so on either side of the tree, I'm going to have 3 single crochets. Sorry, 6 single crochets. So we are starting off with 3 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you will have another 3 stitches as part of the tree stitch. So again you're going to make 3 more. So 2 more stitches. So in total you are going to do 5 stitches. Once you have done with the 5th stitch, 5th single crochet, you have to make 1 front post double crochet 2 rows below. So this is your current row and this is the row where you are going to make the post. Okay, so pick up this loop as a front post, pick up this single crochet as a front post and make a front post double crochet stitch. Okay, make sure to skip the stitch that's behind the front post stitch and you proceed with your single crochet stitches. Okay. So again, we are going to the 3 stitches on this side. Counts as your, this is part of the stitch, and then we are again going to make 6 stitches in between. Okay, again 3 stitches for the next tree. This will make sense in the next row. Again yarn over, go back 2 stitches, 2 rows below and make a front post stitch. Now skip this stitch and make 1 single crochet, till you reach the end of the row. Okay, so this one, this is the stem of the tree, trunk of the tree on either side. Now again chain 1, turn your work, continue making 1 full row of single crochet stitches and complete this and I'll meet you back at the end of the row. So now I've completed 1 row of single crochet stitches. Again chain 1, turn your work, make 3 single crochets, 1, 2 and 3, and you're going to do 3 front post double crochet stitches 2 rows below. So into this row you're going to make 3 front post double crochet stitch. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, again go back into this post stitch over here and make 1 front post double crochet. Okay, again 3 more front post double crochet stitch on this side. Done. Now you're going to skip all these stitches, and into the next one you're going to make 1 single crochet. Okay, so now make 6 single crochets, and you're again going to start with a total of 6 single crochets, and again you're going to start with the front post double crochet stitch. Okay, now again go back 2 rows below, and you're going to make 3 front post double crochet stitch. Okay, so once you're done with that, complete with single crochet stitches onto the end of the row. You can see that shape of the tree forming already. Now again chain 1, turn your work, make 1 single crochet throughout this row. And done with this row of single crochet stitches, chain 1, turn your work. Now I'm going to reduce the number of stitches that I'm going to emboss in this row. So I'll be skipping 1 stitch on either side, and I'll be making a front post on the rest. Okay, chain 1, turn your work, make 1 single crochet into each of these stitches, which will be 4 stitches, and into this stitch you're going to make a front post. As you can see, I've skipped 1 stitch over here. Continue making front post stitches. Okay, again I'm going to skip 1 stitch on this side, which is right here, and continue to make single crochet stitches till I reach the second front post of this part of the tree. Again, once you get to the second front post, again start making front post stitches till you reach the last but one front post double crochet stitch. Okay, again chain 1, turn your work, 1 row of normal single crochet stitches. Okay, so now again chain 1, turn your work, make 3 single crochet stitches and make 3 front post single crochet stitch. So we'll be back at the same count of front post stitches Okay. Which will give you the nice Christmas tree shape once we complete the pattern. Okay. So again, when you get to this side, you have to do one front post stitch extra. Okay. So you have to do the same thing on to this side of the pattern as well. I'll meet you back once I complete the row of single crochet stitches in the next row as well. Now we're back at the row where we do the front post stitches. I've done one row of single crochet in between. So now we are just going to reduce the stitches, front post stitches, to the shape of the tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip the front post stitches on either side, that is these two stitches, and I'm only going to work on the center. Okay, so skip this one, and make 3 front post double crochets. Okay, again I'm going to continue single crochet stitches and only do 3 front post on this side, and then make 1 row of single crochet, and I'll meet you back at the end of that row. We are again back at the row where we do the front post stitches. So this row we are only going to do 1 front post stitch, that is in the middle stitch over here. Continue to make single crochet stitches till you reach that particular stitch. Okay. So that's it about the pattern. You just have to repeat these rows. You can add a few rows of single crochets before you start the next Christmas tree, and then repeat the same pattern over and over again till you reach the length that you want. Do try out the stitch, and if you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comment section below, or you can reach us out on our Instagram DMs. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another